guys, my favorite part of any rehab. So this rehab, and it's difficult to explain very quickly, but a lot of rehabs are more than just a rehab, more than just a flip. They involve a lot of structural, what's underneath the surface. Most people, and I'd say 90% of flippers, investors, and homeowners, they think, and I'm not talking about contractors because contractors get it because there's a lot of structural infrastructure, what's behind these, 1/2-inch pipes, 1.5 inch or 1.25 for the sinks. Just building these things, but what's underneath them? What's the foundation, the subfloor? Not what's on the top, not what's on the surface. That's the easy stuff. But what's beneath it? What's the cement board that they use? Did they properly caulk underneath there with silicone? Did they put the black tar paper behind it? Did they waterproof it properly and do it flush? Is this all sealed? Is there flashing? Is there counter flashing? How are the pipes? Are they copper? Are they PEX? Or are they old galvanized? Is this cartridge a single cartridge that fills up the water? It's not what's on the outside of the tiles. But that all being said, I just had to throw that disclaimer there. That all being said, my favorite part is when these finishes start coming through. But yeah, what's beneath it? What's the electric? Is it the yellow Romex? Or is it knob and tube, which can happen in some older buildings? But this part, when there's finally some things going on right here, we're finally putting in these closets. This is my favorite part where you're actually seeing some progress and the house actually looks like a house. Because if you look at my old videos, the only thing original in this room right here, not that door, not this floor, not this nice paint that was terrible before. You could see in the old photos or the old videos, if you look really close, they were all cracked. A lot of it's new drywall, new lighting. We added that closet. There was no closet before. The only thing that is new in this room is that, which is these old, they call these jalousie windows. So anyways, even the electric is new here. So everything's new. That electric's new. It had to be put on the outside because that's actually a 1.5 foot cement wall on the exterior. This whole house is like that. Everything here is new. This bathtub used to be over there. Sorry, the workers pee in that and don't flush. But on this side, it used to be toilet and sink. We actually moved this door. We added that hood vent. It's one of those quiet ones that has the light. It has a finish. We added everything's new. This is all brand new. That used to go back. It's hard to explain. Just look at the old videos, but this is my favorite part when you actually start seeing progress, because what happens usually when you get a house that's a real rehab, like as in you really have to fix it up, you go through this phase where things when you first get it are happening so fast because you get into demo. But once the demo's done, you're like, damn, this is happening fast. We might flip in 2-3 weeks. Then there's the rebuilding, and the rebuilding, if done right, should take a long time. If you say that you could flip a house in 4 to 6 weeks, it's a flip, it's not a full rehab, which is fine. I mean, that's actually what you should get. That's a cosmetic fix, but these sorts of things where you do the entire, we added this bathroom. This used to be a closet, and that used to be part of the old bathroom. So we moved all these walls around, adding that door there. This was all unfinished, but we finished all this. This is what I love, is once it starts getting that feel. This is like a walk-in closet. It's crazy. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys that. We put in LED lights. We actually put in 20 LED lights throughout this house. This was all old electric. We redid all the electric. And this floor here was like a boat sinking, like a sinking ship. Redid it all. You can't see the nice floor we put in. Let's see, what else do we have here? all this, we had to redo the entire subfloor with 3.25 inch plywood. This fireplace, we put some pretty cool tile there. It's herringbone pattern, but you can't see it. Yeah, this we're actually gonna whitewash it. If it doesn't look good, we're gonna have to redo it. All this wall around here, we had to re-cement, put in the molding. That's the easy part. But yeah, there's like a big scope of different types of work. We opened this up actually. This wall, we actually had to remove a beam and install a beam across this top part in order to get this wall more open, to get more of an open concept. We took off about 4 feet so that this is all open. It's a nice big bath kitchen. We closed up some windows so that we can add more cabinets, because that's what sells is cabinets. Cabinets and counter space is what real cooks want. Yeah, so that's it. Just signing off. Check out my other blogs for, you call them vlogs. So this is like a work in progress here, okay? So give me a break. But anyways, that's some insulation. You always have to throw insulation into the walls and onto the, above the ceiling in R30 in the ceiling, and then on the walls R13. That's just how it is in California. But yeah, we don't cut corners. We try to do good, thorough builds, whether we're flipping apartments, houses, multifamily. I'm actually in search of a larger multifamily right now. So shoot me questions below. What else? If you're any wholesalers out there have any 8 to 30 plus units in the Midwest, or Midwest, we're looking for like 50 unit properties, because you can buy for like 30 to 60,000 per unit. But yeah, so we're looking for those in the Midwest, and then we're also looking for Florida properties, Southeast Florida, Fort Myers, West Palm Beach. We're looking in we want to buy in the 80,000 per unit range, but it's very difficult. Broward County we're searching, which is where like Fort Lauderdale is. Miami a little bit, but yeah, we're just searching for a lot of different types of properties because we are in the middle of the 1031 exchange. Google search that if you're interested in that sort of thing. But we're buying larger apartments with some value add element, so yeah. Take it easy. Subscribe and like.